How you doing? Hablo español? Sí. Ah, poquito, poquito. All right, guys, we just went ahead and picked this up. Oh. It's seen better days. It's fine. It's fine. We just picked this up for $380, guys. And I think we scored. I don't know. I'm going to see if this actually turns on. But it's got a 2070 triple fan in it. Ryzen 5 3600. Nice motherboard, SSD, RAM, 16 gigabytes. The power supply, it's a little sus. It's a little sus. But it's going to work. I want to see if this turns on. I got it hooked up. Please don't blow up. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. That ain't bad. Everything's spinning. Do we have a post? Do we have a post? Did we get scammed? We'll find out on the next episode of... Oh, okay. Wait. That's what I'm talking about. Wait. Let's go. Let's go. We didn't get scammed. But what I'm going to go ahead and do, I have a plan. I'm going to use this 2070 in a different build. You guys will see that video one of these days. And then we're gonna use basically everything else except for the case, because we're gonna case swap this, and we're gonna throw a nice 1070 in here. Hopefully get a flip. Well, not hopefully, we are gonna get a good flip on this. And then that other build, we're gonna end up building that on camera as well. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, take everything out, clean it all up, make it all look, you know, fantastic, and then we'll get to the build progress. So yeah, let's just get to it. Why'd you get so scared, you little dork? First person, cat mode. The eyes of the tiger. Okay, I'm getting cringy. Ooh, it's looking clean, guys. What you mean? We finished the build and it turned out amazing. This is the finished product. I really like how it turned out. We already benchmarked it, stress tested and everything. This thing's ready to go. But oh my goodness. On a budget, this is... it's a baller. I mean, if you guys seen the before, you know, welcome to the graveyard. We got this down here. We case swapped that. This was the original. Oh, this was, okay. That was the original case and we made it look a lot better, I think, in my opinion. But this case is amazing. The only thing, someone pointed this out. I think it was my wife. She said that it looks like a toilet. I don't know, does that ruin it for you guys? I don't know, we're gonna see what's up. But the finished product, I mean, I really just can't see how nobody would like this graphics card. I mean, this has gotta be one of my favorite looking graphics cards, even though it doesn't even have a top plate. I mean, we got the Ryzen 5 3600, we got the 16 gigs of RAM, nice motherboard, the 1078 gig, I mean, full ARGB. I chose to go white because it just looks super clean, and then we added these green cable extensions, which really made it pop. I think it looks really good. It kind of looks like a toilet bowl now that I look at it. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and post this. I think I'm gonna list it for like $550. I think that's a super fair price, especially a 1TB SSD. The lowest thing in this build is that 1070, which it's just older. But I mean, when I'll show you guys the benchmarks here. When we benchmarked it, this thing has no problem running the latest games. So I mean, but you know, in the future, if someone did want to throw a better graphics card in there, they can. They're on the AM4 platform. You know what I'm saying? So I think $550 is a fair price, and then we'll be getting some decent profit off of this. Hablo español? Sí. Ah, poquito, poquito. I bet, here, I'll give you guys this first. This is the power cord. And then I got, these are like extra screws for like the case and everything. And then like, I got it like right here. Do you want me to take it out? That's good? That's good. That's cool. You want me to help bring it to your car? Yeah. Cool, cool. And then if you guys have like any questions or anything, just let me know, just message me. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, all good? All right, you guys have a great day. Yeah. All right, bet. They seem like super nice, you know? $560, they even did $10 more. We're gonna run back to the crib, and that's about all I know. I just gotta record these meetups, you know what I'm saying? That one was a little, you know, it's early, it's 10 o'clock. Okay, it's almost like 10:30. But we got the bread, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm doing too much. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all back at the crib, I guess.